on my side now?
Huh?
Okay. We're here with Chef Joanne. Am I correct? Reyes. And we're at the Bluefish uh, Cafe
Red crab.
By Red Crop.
by Red Crab in Eastwood, in the Eastwood Mall. We're gonna ask her a couple questions. Why did you choose the culinary field?
I just since I was a little girl,
Little girl,
yeah, I like to cook.
and you
That's
love
why.
to cook.
Yeah, I like to cook. I like to eat.
Yes.
It shows to my big heavy body. I like to eat. That's why. Then second, I'd like to cook.
Yeah.
That's why.
No, that's great. Uh, Obviously, since you started cooking and you love cooking at a young
Yes.
age, who inspired you to become a chef?
Um, my family,
Your family?
my family, then my relatives, because we have a business which is in food industry also. Small store in Pasig.
Pasig.
Yeah, we have a store there.
Okay.
Then we have a business which is meat business in Pasig also.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
So
That's
your
why.
parents are originally from
Yeah, that's why I'm so inspired with a lot of my relatives, my teacher also. Teacher, I'm so inspired to them na to teach me, always teaching me uh, all the foods that I wanted to eat.
What's
I
the
like
most?
meat.
What's
Meat
the,
is my
Is that your favorite dish?
yeah,
Your favorite dish is meat.
yeah,
what is the
meat.
most important thing you learned?
Because we have a business which is meat business. Then that's the first thing that I like to eat meat. Then the second thing is I like to eat meat and I like to cook meat.
So, what do you consider your favorite dish?
Favorite dish is beef salpicao,
Uh-huh.
pork hamonado.
What do you eat after like a long day's work? Since you're so tired of cooking, what do you cook when you get
Sometimes I like to eat soup.
home? Soup?
Yeah,
Cup of noodles?
cup noodles because I'm so poor. I'm not rich. That's why.
Yeah. Well, we definitely didn't get into this business to be rich. And let's see. What is your definition of hard work?
Hard work. For me, each of everyone achieve. You have to achieve more. Then you have to strive hard. Then hard work is the second thing that you have in yourself. You have to be hard worker all the time. Be a chef. It's a fulfillment. You have to be a hard worker to achieve all the best that you have.
You have to be committed.
Yeah.
And what do you look for in a perfect sous chef candidate for yourself?
For me, perfect sous chef, there's no perfect naman, no?
Yeah.
Pero you have to study.
Study?
Culinary chef, you have to be study, always study. Always look for the magazines, always um, watch all the things that you have to know. Like you have to, for me, Ramsey, I watch all the things that,
Hell's
yeah,
Kitchen,
Gordon Ramsay, yeah.
Kitchen Nightmares.
You have to be always willing to learn.
You have to be strive hard because this is your field. Become a successful chef. You have to be hard worker, love your own, create your own food.
And did you go to school?
I came from College of the Holy Spirit, which is I took up PSHRM. Then I have a training in Singapore, Bugis Junction, which is I have a training in Sake Sushi, Sake
Oh,
Sushi restaurant there at Singapore. Then I applied here at Red Crab. I I start as a kitchen supervisor. Then in 3 years time, I got promoted to become a kitchen manager
that's
at Seafood Club. Then I have a promotion here at Bluefish.
So what's your current position?
I'm a kitchen manager here.
excellent. Is there any more questions you'd like to ask me?
What's some advice you'd like to give us culinary students?
Sa culinary student, at first, hindi lang po pwedeng kailangan nakatapos ako nito. Kailangan kasi you have to know all the things na kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. Kailangan sa puso mo. Kailangan nagigagaling in your heart na ano talaga yung gusto mo. What do you want in your life? Hindi dahil sinabi ng parents mo na, oh, you have to take this one. No, kailangan at your own. Kailangan love this food industry. Yun eh. Yun yung pinaka yan. Hindi po pwedeng dahil sinabi ni ganito. On your own. For me.
Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you
I'm
for your
sure
time.
you're a very busy woman. Look forward. I'll probably come by and stop by and eat sometime. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Have a
much
good
for
day.
doing the work on this. And
Thank you.
could we have your email address as well?
Okay.
Just so we can give you maybe our final product.
Actually, yung si Chef Annalie, from CCA din siya. Dito dati nag-aano siya dito. Isa siya sa mga consultant. Then yung mga ibang culinary graduate, dito rin nag-ano si Chef Ching. CCA graduate din siya. Dito naman siya, na-employed siya sa Red Crab din.
So, at least we know CCA is
Yeah.
valid.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your time. Nice meeting you, Joanne.
Yes.
And
Nice meeting
nice
you.
meeting you too. I look forward to trying the food here.
Yeah. Very expecting, ha?
Okay.
We will.